If you're looking to manage chronic conditions and stay healthy as you age, you're in the right place. The ketogenic diet has shown tremendous potential in supporting and managing these conditions through the power of nutrition. Before we start, if you want more information about keto, read the description down below. Can your diet impact your chronic conditions, especially as you get older? With the ketogenic diet, it is possible. By making simple changes to your eating habits, you can potentially improve conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and metabolic syndrome. Here's the secret. Keto helps your body switch from using glucose to burning fat for fuel. By reducing carbohydrates and increasing healthy fats in your diet, you can enter a state called ketosis. This metabolic state can work wonders for managing chronic conditions as you age. It's like giving your body a whole new lease on life. By focusing on whole foods and delicious ingredients, you can create meals that not only support your health but also satisfy your taste buds. Imagine enjoying mouth-watering dishes while improving your well-being. Let's talk about what to eat on a keto diet. Fill up your plate with nutrient-dense, low-carb veggies, healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and protein sources such as fish, poultry, and eggs. It's all about finding the perfect balance that works for you. You won't miss those carb-heavy meals once you discover the delicious possibilities of keto. You're on your way to managing chronic conditions and feeling your best. But remember, it's not just about the food, it's about embracing a holistic approach to your health. Stay active, engage in activities you love, and prioritize self-care. Keto is just one piece of the puzzle to navigate towards better health and vitality. If this video has inspired you, then it's time for you to take control of your health journey. By exploring the ketogenic diet, you're empowering yourself to manage chronic conditions, increase your well-being, and live life to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and inspiration. And remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to better aging. We believe in you. Take care.